Hello and welcome to the Intro to Probability Review. The first problem is that we roll a die 100 times and 22 times it lands on 2. We've talked about some of this vocabulary. The trials, that's 100 times we did it. The possible outcomes are what could happen here. We could get a 1 or a 2 or a 3 or a 4 or a 5 or a 6. The frequency of rolling a 2 means how many times did it actually happen when we did our experiment, 22 times. The relative frequency then is out of the total as a percentage. That's 22% of the time. Is this experimental or theoretical? It's experimental because it's something we actually did. I've listed out here the sample space for 4 people running. I listed the parts where number 1 finishes first, and then 2 finishes first, and 3 finishes first, and 4 finishes first. Should be 24 options. Person A over person B, let's call it person 1 ahead of person 2. That happens here. That happens here, 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 here. 1's ahead of him. Here 2's ahead, 2's ahead, 2's ahead, 2's ahead. All these 2's ahead. Here 2's ahead, 2. 1 is winning here, 1 is winning here, 1 is winning there. Nope, 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 yep, yep, yep. So a total of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 out of the 24, which is 1/2. Problem 3. Probability that the prisoner was male. Well, then we look at the total males, 48, 22 out of the total number of people. Probability the prisoner was between 20 and 24 years old. That's going to be here. There are 1165 people that old out of the total. The prisoner was this old given that he was a female. So when you see given, there's a female, then we got to look at only the females. So there was 216 females, and how many of those were in this age? If we pull somebody from the females, there's a 41 out of 216 chance that that person is this age. 19 or under, given that they were male. So again, we're putting all the males together out of 48, 22, and seeing how many of you would be under 19. So that would be this, this, and this. Together that makes 451. The prisoner's female, given that the prisoner was age 35 to 39. So now we're putting this group here into a room, and we're saying, what's the probability that I pick one of those 551 people? What's the probability that one of those is a woman? There are 31 women out of those. 52 cards. Probability that we get a heart. There are 13 hearts out of the 52, which reduces to be 1/4. A non-jack, well, 4 of them are jacks. The other 48 are not jacks. This can reduce to be 12/15. Black card, there are 26 black cards in the deck, which is 1/2. A king, there are 4 kings in the deck, which reduces to be 1/13. A diamond and a face card. So now to be in our club, you have to be both a diamond and a face card. King, queen, jack of diamonds. So 3 out of 52. Diamond or a face card. Well, now we've got the 13 diamonds. This is not mutually exclusive. We have 12 face cards, jack, queen, king, out of times 4 suits, minus the 3 diamonds that we already counted here. The jack of diamonds, the queen of diamonds, the king of diamonds. That's 22 out of 52, 11 out of 26. Rolling a die and tossing a coin. Here's our sample space. I already drew it out. These are the possibilities of what could happen. Probability of a tail and a 6, that will be just this one, 1 out of 12. A tail or a 6 would be all the tails, there's 6 of those, plus this 6 right there, so that would be 7 out of 12. Neither a 2 or a 6, so that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 out of 12. That reduces to be 2/3. Neither a tail nor a 5, so that would be these. No tails and no 5. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 out of 12. head and an odd number, so that would be 1 here, and 1 there. So there's 3 out of 12, which reduces to be 1/4. Head or an odd number would be all the heads, plus another 1, 2, 3 more odd numbers. So that's 9 out of 12, which is 3/4. We have a couple marksmen. So John's probability of hitting is 60%, which means his probability of missing is 40%. Oh, that's a terrible 40. 40%. Benita's really good. She makes it 90% of the time, so she's going to miss 10% of the time. That's important. Probability they both hit means John hits and is times Benita hits. That is 0.54. Probably they both miss would be 0.4 for John, 0.10 for Benita. That is 0.04. John hits, so that's 0.6 for him. And Benita misses, so that's 0.10 for her, 0.06. Benita hits, that's 0.9. John misses, that's 0.4, 0.36. In a class of 40 students, 19 play tennis. Look for the ones that, well, if we have 19 plus 20 plus 8, that is 47, but we only have 40 in the class. So 7 have to be in the overlap, which means 12 more are here, 13 more are here, 8 of them don't do anything. How many play tennis? 19 out of 40. Does not play netball at all. That would be 12 plus these 8 is 20 out of 40. At least one, that'd be 12 plus 7 plus 13. That's 32 out of 40. One and only one, so that'd be these guys and these guys. That's 25 out of 40. Netball but not tennis, that's only these 13. Okay? How many pass both tests? It looks like 500 pass both. So in here is going to be 500. Let's say this is test A, test B. So if 900 students pass the math A, so this is going to be 400 more. 700 passed math B, so there's 200 more. So total right now we've got 400, 500, 200, that's 1,100. 1,200 total students, so that means 100 didn't pass any. And that's the question, how many did not pass any? Okay, we've got, this is not mutually exclusive, so we've got...
Good morning, everyone. Just a couple of announcements today. Students interested in running for next year's class...
Minus the overlap.
...pick up an intent to run form from...
We need a common denominator.
Applications must be turned in by Friday, April 10th. Attention all Key Club members. There will be
25,
a meeting after school
27,
at 2:01.
24.
We will be holding elections soon and need as many members as possible to attend. And that's all for this morning. Have a wonderful day.
This is A plus B minus the overlap. Probability a card is a red or an ace. Well, we've got 26 reds. We've got 4 aces. But we've already counted the ace of hearts, ace of diamonds. Those are overlaps, so we'll subtract the overlap. And that is 28 out of 52, which reduces, if we divide these by 4, that's 7 out of 13. Probability of 2 dice showing a sum of 6 or a sum of 11. Those are mutually exclusive. Those are separate events. So just find the sum of 6, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 4, 5, 1, 1, 5. Those all add up to be 6. And then 5, 6, and 6, 5 add up to be 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rolls out of the 36. We can just add them together. These 5 plus those 2. Independent if, I'll just talk through it, if one outcome does not affect the other outcome. Mutually exclusive, they cannot both happen together at the same time. And this one, if they are not mutually exclusive, then you have to take A plus B and subtract the overlap. Hope that helps you. Good luck. Have a great day.